Hi, this is Dr. JMR Chemistry Classes. Today we are going to learn about extraction of aluminium. Extraction of aluminium generally be classified into three stages. One is concentration of the ore or dressing. Number two, extraction of crude metals. And the third one is purification or refining. By using three metals, we can collect the aluminium, that is metal, from the respective ores. Generally here what happened, so here one of the ore generally will take in purification, that is bauxite. Al2O3.2H2O. This is known as bauxite. So here you are going to eliminate. What is our aim? Generally we are going to extract the aluminium. This is aluminium. If oxygen is present, generally we can call it as aluminium oxide, means aluminium ore. This is bauxite, means this is a hydrated substance, so that is why it is called .2H2O. The formula of bauxite is alumina. So here alumina now means Al2O3. Bauxite means Al2O3.2H2O. Now we are going to extract. First what happened? Stage 1, dressing or purification. Total 3 stages are there. First stage, dressing of ore. Second one is extraction and third one is refining. Now we are in stage 1, that is concentration or dressing of what? Ore. So here dressing or concentration of ore of bauxite. Generally what is dressing? In previous video I explained about dressing means removal of unwanted impurities. Removal of unwanted impurities from ore, then we can call it as dressing or concentration. By hand picking or by mechanical. By using these processes, you can easily eliminate impurities from ore. Then we can call it as concentration or dressing. Now similarly here what happened? Here Bayer's process. This is known as Bayer's process. So here in Bayer's process, in the concentration of the ore or dressing, Bayer's process is used. That is number 1, impure bauxite. Impure bauxite, first they are converted into alumina, means Al2O3.2H2O is converted into, in this process, pure. We can call it as pure alumina. This is called bauxite. This is called alumina. First in this process, bauxite is converted into alumina. How? First alumina, that is bauxite, react with sodium hydroxide. Alumina react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium aluminate, NaAlO2. Then we can call it as, this is sodium aluminate and water molecules. First what happened? Bauxite react with sodium hydroxide at high temperature. It is converted into sodium aluminate and water. This sodium aluminate react with water. What happened? To form here precipitate, white precipitate is formed, that is aluminium hydroxide. White PPT is formed with the liberation or elimination of this sodium hydroxide. Means the formation of, means aluminium hydroxide is formed. This aluminium hydroxide, on heating it is converted into simply alumina plus water. Like this here what happened? First reaction is bauxite is converted into sodium aluminate. This sodium aluminate again it is converted into what? Aluminium hydroxide. This aluminium hydroxide is converted into alumina. So here finally you prepared from this bauxite. What happened? Here you will get alumina. So like this here what happened? Bauxite to first, that is in first process, first we convert this bauxite into alumina. This is one of the what you call process. So that is why here what happened? So here alumina first react with sodium hydroxide and convert into sodium aluminate plus water. Sodium aluminate react with water to form aluminium hydroxide, and here what happened? Aluminium hydroxide undergoes on heating to form water, aluminium oxide and water. This process, very important terminology. This is known as Bayer's process. This is known as Bayer's process. And here another alternate method is there. So this is okay. This is first method. Second method is Hall's process. Same in the concentration of the ore. So now we are going for what? Next alternate method. What is that? Hall's process. These two processes are means this is used. This Hall process is also used in the conversion of water from bauxite to water alumina. So first bauxite. In this here what happened? In previous process we used sodium hydroxide, but in this process we are using water sodium carbonate. In previous process we used sodium hydroxide. In Bayer's process now we are using water this sodium carbonate. So to form same here sodium aluminate is formed. So here bauxite react with sodium carbonate to form a sodium aluminate, and here what happened? Water and carbon dioxide gas is liberated. So like this here what happened? First sodium aluminate is formed. Again here what happened? Sodium aluminate and react with water. Automatically they are converted into aluminium hydroxide. So here what happened? So here aluminium hydroxide, and finally here you will get a sodium carbonate is produced. What happened? They further react to form sodium aluminate plus water plus carbon dioxide to form sodium carbonate, and water aluminium hydroxide is produced. Again here what happened? Aluminium hydroxide on heating naturally it is converted into water alumina. This is called alumina. So to form, so here this is called Hall's process. What is Hall's process? Here bauxite react with the sodium carbonate to form sodium aluminate. Sodium aluminate again it is further reaction at high temperature, it is to form the respective water aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide again PPT is formed. So if you will put arrow then it is called PPT. Again here what happened? Aluminium hydroxide on heating or at 1100 degrees centigrade. So naturally it is converted into water, alumina and water. So this is one of the process. So here these two are the what you call process. One is Bayer's process and the one is what we can call it as a Hall's process. Now in the extraction of water metals, then we'll go for extraction. That is second process. Extraction of metals. How you are going to extract the metals? Extraction of means alumina is prepared. How this alumina is converted into what you call converted into aluminium. First I will draw one diagram. In the extraction of metals, so here one of the important process, All-Herold's process. So here in the extraction of fused alumina, what is our aim? You have to collect the what aluminium from alumina. So already what happened, from bauxite to you collected alumina. From this alumina you have to collect aluminium by using various process. This is very important process, that is electrolytic reduction, that is Hall-Hérold's process. What happened? Conversion of alumina into pure aluminium. So here in a electrolytic cell, this is called a electrolytic cell. So here carbon rod acts as a anode, and here gas carbon lining acts as a cathode. So here three electrolytes is used. One is, we can call it as alumina, that is fused alumina, and this is cryolite. Formula is Na3AlF6. This is called cryolite, and calcium fluoride we can call it as fluorspar. So this is 1:3:1 part, 3 parts, and 1:3 1 part of what electrolyte is used in this electrolytic cell. So at a high temperature, that is at 950 degrees centigrade, and here 100 atmospheric pressure, and here you have to supply approximately 6 to 7 volts of current. 100 degrees centigrade, 900 degrees centigrade, 100 atmospheric pressure, and at the 6 to 7 volts of current is applied through these electrodes. Automatically what happened here, electrolytic reduction takes place. First what happened, cryolite, they splits into sodium ions and aluminium ions and fluoride ions. They splits into the respective ions, cryolite splits into the respective ions, and here fluorspar also splits into calcium and as well as fluoride, and here aluminium oxide, we can call it alumina, it is also splits into aluminium and oxygen. At this stage what happened, at cathode is naturally negatively charged. This negatively charged attract, what aluminium is attracted means this cathode is attracted by this aluminium. So automatically what happened, aluminium by attracting 6 electrons from this, so automatically what happened, they settle at a cathode. So means our required aluminium is naturally, why cathode is negative, our anion is positive, so that is why what happened, this aluminium is attracted by this cathode, so you can collect aluminium at cathode. Then what about anode? Anode, here oxygen gas is liberated. In competitive type of examination, sometimes you will ask, here what happened, here aluminium is collected in a Hall-Hérold's process. Here aluminium is collected where? So you have to collect aluminium at where? So cathode, and oxygen gas is liberated at, why here aluminiums are generally here what happened, here sodium atoms are there, sodium ions as well as calcium ions are there in this process. Why here what happened, aluminium ions attracted more. So means here only one answer, that is what happened, aluminium ions are discharged in preference to Na plus and Ca2 plus, that is calcium ions. So here due to its lower position in the electrochemical series, so aluminium is more attracted towards when compared to these two ions. So that is why here what happened, cathode attracts aluminium very fast. Once again here what happened, aluminium ions are discharged in preference to sodium and calcium ions. So due to its lower position in the electrochemical cell, so that is why what happened, it collected at pure aluminium is collected at cathode, and here oxygen gas is liberated at anode. This is very important in competitive type of examination, generally asked. So what is the use of what Hall-Hérold's process. Then you have to tell this is used in pure aluminum. You are converted into pure alumina is converted into what aluminum. So this is what in the extraction of metal generally will use. So here what happened? Next process, electro refining or impure metal. How you are going to? So you collected aluminum, but here how you are going to purify? Means third process. First process we completed. What is that? First process is the concentration of the ore. So we studied one Bayer's process and what Hall's process, and in the extraction Hall-Hérold's process. Now here electro refining of impure aluminum. Now I will draw one diagram. In extraction of crude, after extraction of crude metal, so collected alumina. So here what happened? From that you have to extracted aluminium, that impure aluminium you have to convert it into what? Pure aluminium. So you again here what happened? This process is known as purification. This process is known as purification or refining. Electro refining of impure metal. This is a third stage. This we can call it as electro refining method. So how you are going to refining the metal from that impure. So you take one electrolytic cell and one is cathode and the one is anode. So here what happened? 3 layers of what happened? You have to use electrolyte. So here what happened? Mainly important that cell is converted into what? By electrolysis, by using electrolytes. So here what happened? 3 layers. So here upper layer contains pure aluminium with a carbon electrode, that is cathode. So middle layer is a mixture of calcium, barium fluoride, aluminium fluoride and calcium fluoride. These are acts as electrolyte in this process. So sometimes he will ask electrolytic refining of impure metal. So which is acts as a cathode? So here cryolite already tell you Na3, here AlF6. So here barium fluoride, aluminium fluoride and calcium fluoride acts as electrolyte. In lower layer it contains impure aluminium at the bottom with a carbon lining. So here what happened? At cathode what happened? So here from this what happened? Aluminium attracted by 3 electrons and converted into aluminium, pure aluminium. So this aluminium is collected at a cathode. This pure aluminium ions displayed from middle layer. This is very important. From the middle layer. So here what happened? This aluminium, here what happened at cathode? Here what happened? Aluminium, here what happened? They are converted into by loses electrons from lower level, and here what happened? They are attracted by this middle layer. These ions are entered into middle layer, and here what happened? They are collected at cathode. So like that, here what happened? Finally, the impurities are eliminated. These are electrodes. What is the duty of electrodes? To increase the activity of the electrolysis. So here what happened? Like that, here what happened? So pure aluminium with a carbon electrode is upper layer. So these are the electrolytes, and here impure aluminiums are present at the bottom. Automatically what happened? They are separated. So finally what is our aim? You can collect aluminium at cathode. So like that, here what happened? From impure aluminium to we collect pure. So one is acts as a cathode, and here anode. You can collect aluminium metal at cathode. So this is the extraction of aluminium. So in the extraction of aluminium, what happened, beta? Total 3 processes are there. Number 1, what is that? Concentration. In that concentration, we studied 2 processes. One is, what is that? One is Bayer's process and the one is Hall's process. So you can concentrate by using these two methods. Second one, extraction of metals, crude metals. So first we studied what number one, alumina, number one, bauxite, that is Al2O3 dot 2H2O, they are converted into alumina. Means by using two methodologies. One is Bayer's process and the one is Hall's process. This is number one. Number two, from this alumina converted into impure aluminium. Means you convert it into impure aluminium by Hall-Hérold's process. And finally, electrolytic refining impure aluminium is converted into pure. It is nothing but pure aluminium by using electrolytic refining. This is our aim. So finally, from this bauxite, finally you collected what? A pure aluminium. This is our aim. So finally in this video I explained about how to extract the metal. Thank you very much. So మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్టే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. Finally you have to comment. Thank you.